Okay, so let me have a look at this, the free section where I can practice and see what the actual, course might be like. So I can create module titles and lesson titles, and I can get an idea of how long the course would actually be. I can do that right here on this website page, which this is okay. So I click start creating, and course details. What can we? I don't know. Growing herbs indoors. Target audience. Adults, I suppose, who would like to grow and eat herbs. Course creator, us, Beachy, South Africa. Age group level, adult general, course description, how to grow herbs indoors. Yeah, I just sped that up a bit because I don't type very fast, and also created this spot to stick the disclosure in that this is our own stuff. Okay, learning objectives. Students can grow and eat their own herbs. I don't want any results. Okay, continue. So now we want, this is my prompt, copy prompt to clipboard. Okay. So now go to GTP, or you can use, Claude, DeepSeek, Gemini, and I'm going to share this tab instead, and then we're going to paste this and go enter, and then I'm going to get an answer back like this. Yeah, that didn't take very long at all, but I still wanted to speed it up a bit and stick the disclosure in again. Go on. Gosh, that much. When do we finish? Oh, dogs.
Roxy!
Looks like we're there, so we copy that. And we go back to this other page, share this page instead. Copy and paste the response here. Parse and continue. And we're there. 5 modules, 18 lessons, 12 hours. Module 1, and there's the lessons. Module 2, and there's the lessons. Pretty cool. Nice titles. So you can do exactly what I've just done for free in under 4 minutes by going to beachy.coza course studio. The link is in the description. Yep, the app Tony made. This is our stuff, so there's the disclosure. But it's super quick and easy, and if you do buy the full app, you get 4 free PDFs as shown in this little ad for us.